we have to find the domain of this function. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. So, let's see what we have here on the right side. We have addition and we have subtraction, and we know that we can add or subtract every real numbers. But we have also here fraction bar. The fraction bar means division. So whatever is in denominator cannot be 0 because we never divide by 0. So let's check when is equal 0. X minus 8 equals 0 when x equals 8. So our domain will be all real numbers exclude 8, because for 8 this denominator will be equal 0 and we can not have 0 in denominator. So I exclude this 8. This is our domain. Now we have to find the range of this function. When we have to find the range, it means we have to find all possible values of y. So first we have to solve this equation for x. And because we have on the right side fraction bar, I will make fraction on the left side too. So we have y over 1 equals x plus 3 over x minus 8. We have now proportion, so we cross multiply. Y times x minus 8 equals 1 times x plus 3, so it's x plus 3. Now we have to multiply y by whatever is in parentheses. So y times x is xy minus y times 8 is 8y equals x plus 3. Now we have to move to one side all terms with x. So I will move this x to the left side. So here I have xy minus x equals negative 8y. I will move to the right side, so 8y plus 3. Now we can factor x. So I have y minus 1 in parentheses equals 8y plus 3. Because I want to find x, I will divide both sides by whatever is in parentheses. So by y minus 1, both sides, minus 1. So y minus 1 will cancel, and I have x equals, in numerator, 8y plus 3 over y minus 1. So let's see what we have now here on the right side. What kind of operation we have with y? We have multiplication. We can multiply 8 by every real number. We can add 3. We can subtract 1 from every real number. But we have here also fraction bar. Fraction bar means division. And we know that we cannot divide by 0. The denominator must be always different than 0. So we have to find when this equals 0. Y minus 1 equals 0 when y equals 1. So our range will be all real number exclude 1, because for this one denominator is 0. So y is all real number exclude 1. This is our range.